Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Dhruti Gansekar and I am studying in a Zeal Education Society in direct second year, and we have participated in a project-based learning activity, and my group members are Manish Jadhav, Sriram Pawar and Shritesh Garud, guided by Professor Priyanka Zavkar ma'am, and we are making project of microprocessor, and our subject title is Convert BCD number to equivalent hexadecimal number.
Hello, my name is Sriram Pawar and this is our project-based learning activity number 4 on subject microprocessor 8086, and we are making our project on convert BCD number to equivalent hexadecimal number, and my colleagues for this project are Manish, Dhruti and Shritesh, and now this project is guided by Professor Priyanka Zavkar ma'am.
8086 microprocessor is an enhanced version of 8085 microprocessor that was designed by Intel in 1976. It is a 16-bit microprocessor having 20 address lines and 16 data lines that provides up to 1 MB storage. It consists of powerful instruction set which provides operations like multiplication and division easily. Project abstract. So why we convert BCD numbers to equivalent hexadecimal numbers? Answer is the choice of hexadecimal representation is taken because of human readability and ease of conversion. This also works the other way round, so this much easier. So for big binary numbers which appears in memory addresses, to convert them into hexadecimal and manipulate them with these representations. And for this project we are using Microsoft Macro Assembler, which is shortly known as MASM. It is an x86-64 assembler that uses the Intel syntax for MS-DOS and Microsoft Windows. Beginning with MASM 8.0, there are two versions of the assembler, one of the 16-bit and 32-bit assembly sources and another which is ML64 for 16-bit sources only, and it is launched in 1981, and it is also one of the first launched assembly language editor. The algorithm to convert BCD to hexadecimal number is to start the program. Second step, take a BCD number and convert it into unpack form. Third step, first we'll take the lower nibble and we'll unpack by ANDing with 0FH. Fourth step, and higher nibble is unpacked by ANDing with FOH, which is rotated 4 times to the right to get the 0th position. Fifth step, the result from step 4 is then multiplied with 0AH and added to the result of third step to get the resultant hexadecimal number. Sixth step is then we stop the program.
Flowchart.
Now we are in our editor window, and here we'll consider data segment and code segment. In data segment, I considered one BCD number that is stored in variable BCD. BCD defined word 55H. To store the result, I use a variable bin. This depend as bin PW, the result of location. In the code segment, the first two lines are for the initialization for data segment. It is instruction move AX, data. Move AX, AX. I consider number which is stored in AX register to get the lower nibble. I use AND instruction and AX, 0FH, and that will be stored in BX register. So BX, AX. Consider number again, forget the upper nibble and use AND instruction AX, 0F, 0H. To get the 0th position, I rotate the data 4 times. For that, first I load the count in CL register, then rotate right using instruction ROR AL, CL. Then I consider 0AH in CX register. Then multiply CX into AX. The previous result which is stored in BX register, which is added with the AX content. Then final result will be stored in location bin. It is defined in the data segment. I'll terminate the program by using instruction move AH, 4CH.
We will check the result. For that, first we save the program and then exit.
We are giving command masm space file name which is b2x.asm. Next command link space b2x.obj, then enter. Debug the program by using command f debug space b2x.exe, then again enter. Now we are in debugging window. The first line we are initializing data segment. So the data segment at this location is copied to X register for the data is present in a data segment. That will be point into 0000 location. The data is loaded to AX register. It is copied to AX register. 55 is copied to AX register. We are ending with the F0 to get the lower nibble, and to get the upper nibble I'll understand with the F0H. Use count 4, it is equal to the CL register, and rotate the content of AL 4 times to get the 0th position. Then load the 0H to CX register, then multiply with the AL content. The result will be stored in BX register and we added with the AX register. Finally, result will be stored in bin, that is specified in a data segment as 0002. So our output and equivalent hexadecimal number of BCD number 55 is 37. So this was our project-based learning activity number 4 of subject microprocessor 8086. Convert BCD number to equivalent hexadecimal number. Hope you like it. Thank you.